Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a right-click option to kill all non-responding tasks in Windows. So let's say you have some tasks that are freezing up and you just want to kill them all really quickly without having to go to Task Manager. You can see if this will do it for you. Alright, so to do so we're going to be using a simple registry edit here. So I have one file to add the option and then one to remove it. So here's what they do. Here's the one to add the option and then here's the one to remove it if you change your mind. Alright, so to add the right-click option, you just need to double-click on the Add Kill All Not Responding Task Registry file. Click on Run. Say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an administrator to do this. And then just say yes to adding this information from this file into the registry. And then OK. So now when you right-click, you go to Show More Options, or you could hold down Shift, and they have this option here, Kill All Not Responding Tasks. Alright, so I have this big text file here I'm going to try and open up. Alright, now you can see it has made Notepad stop responding. Alright, so now what we could do, right click, kill all non-responding tasks. So you might get this once in a while, depending on if it thinks there's something else that can't be terminated, that it can't close. But this one here is the one we're worried about. Press a key, and now Notepad is closed. Alright, so that's something you may or may not find useful. So if you do, that's an easy way to kill your unresponsive processes. Alright, then if you change your mind and you want to remove that from your right-click menu, just do the same thing with the Remove Kill All Non-Responding Tasks registry file. Click on Run. Same procedure here. And now the option's gone. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download these two registry files and you can see how it works for you. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.